Mother load of Lorchels today. Tattooed Granny. Before we get into that, here's a quick weather update for the first week of May. Looks like we're going to be a little below normal or near normal for precip. That shouldn't be a problem considering how saturated the ground is everywhere in the Midwest and upper Midwest. Temperatures are still looking below average. Great for Morels. It'll keep them popping. It's time to get out there and shroom. They're small, they're up, spotty. So here we have Myces corfii coming up all over here. And I have a friend who eats this. Remember, I told you I do not eat it, but I'm gonna pick these for him and dry them. And there's a bunch there. I don't know if you can see that. And a bunch more here. Some there. Here. Whole nice little grouping that we're gonna get. Cool. So these have real dense material in their thick white stems. They're pretty dirty because of all this rain we've been having, so I'm trying to get rid of most of that. Look at this beautiful dude. Doesn't want to focus on me. There. Gorgeous. So the cap, not the same color as the Morel. It's more brain-like. And look at the dense material inside of here. Just look at this. This used to be gyromitrin corfii. Now it's Myces corfii / American gigas. So far, you know, I don't recommend eating this, even though a friend of mine does, because of the possibility of gyromitrin, misidentification, and undercooking. The gyromitrin can be destroyed with cooking, but we don't know long-term effects of any other issues inside of these mushrooms. I mean, their median is supposed to be a choice edible and really delicious. So if you've been hunting these for years and it's a family tradition, you know, more power to you. I don't tell people what to do. My recommendation is no, but to each their own. Very firm. I've noticed like rotted stumps around here. This is pine, but it's mixed with hardwoods. So lots of small trees. Cool. We had a cold snap and a hot snap. And it's a little before Morel times, like a week before. And that's when these beautiful fruiting bodies pop up. And if you're into it, they're up now. Look at that. Fatty. Look at this guy. We're going to get rid of that dirt. There's even still some more. And look at the dense material compared to Morels. Look at that. Just pick these. Some are growing right out of mossy logs and some are growing out of the ground. That's where they were. So that's the kind of habitat. These guys. There we go. And you can see just how thick and meaty that stem is. And we're going to have to cut all this dirt off and clean them up. Another giant one. They are going crazy here. Look here. Look at all of them. Look, they're here. It's almost like a little trail of them. Ending up with this big boy here. Let's get to picking. Look at this cool thing. There it is. They're giants with a ton of meat. Oh boy. Wow. Just remember how I told y'all we're going to have the best morel season ever. And this is an indicator when these things are up big. And they're literally everywhere in the woods today. I mean, wow. I can't stop finding them. And my bag is getting full. Cool beans. Here we go. I just do the field cleaning. I mean, we're losing a lot of meat, but it's filthy, so we're just pinching it off. I had brought my knife, which of course you should never go on a trail without, which I did. You can just cut it real nice. This just gives me that black fingernail look. Corphi, you're dirty. They're filthy because of the rain. Filthy Corphi eyes. There. See all the wood chip substrate? And also on a log I found some. It was covered in moss, so I'm not sure what tree. Books say hardwoods. I always find them mixed in with the pines though. So there's probably hardwoods in there then. Or they like pines too. Who knows? Since it's not a regular species I pick, I don't pick on it. Just for friends. Little babies. Whew. Look at this, some kind of roots in there. Oh, gross. There it is. Wow. We've got some poundage here. Woo. That's nice. Fresh premium quality. Even though I've never eaten them. They say Lorchels are delicious. So there you have it. And see how the woodland is dappled with these downed trees. Yeah, lots of moss. Okay, I'm going to give these to a friend since I don't eat them. Mablacomyces corfii. We are, I think, on like the 23rd or 24th of April. We're in a mixed hardwood and pine forest. Look at these beauties.